Hello and welcome to the answers to all the puzzles. Because I can't explain it on paper because there's just too much going on. So instead, there's a series of YouTube videos now. Um, okay, so starting with, we're just gonna walk through all of them. I'm going to start with the way that I intended them to be solved, although you can definitely like jump around, so it might not completely line up with how you may have done it. Okay, so this is the sheet that I had labeled as sheet one. Um, the way you received it would have been cut up into a bunch of pieces. I can't help you with the jigsaw puzzle part because I kind of didn't do that by any rhyme or reason. I just like cut up a bunch of shapes. So sorry, but this is what it's supposed to look like. And so that's what it's supposed to look like. So you get these weird shapes. And the first thing you need to be able to do is to figure out what on earth is going on here. And the answer to that is that it's the Pigpen Cipher. And so if you go on the internet and you find the Pigpen Cipher, you can see that each of these shapes corresponds to the letter that it is. So for example, this first one is the bottom right part of a grid with a dot in the corner, which means it's an R. And then we go into the next one and it's this weird U looking thing. And so that means it's a B. And then you get through that part and you realize there's this dot here. That's not like in the wrong space. That's supposed to be a period. And then you go and there isn't a weird slash just in Pigpen. That's because it's just a backslash. So when you completely decode it, you should get rb dot gy slash pchold, which will take you to this Google Doc that I've created, and you'll get this string of ones and zeros, and that's it. That's all you can solve with just the sheet one. It should take you to puzzle A part 2.